stranded here alone. The voices I hear won't let me go. I fought all my life to take control. Noises that drown out what I know as they eat away at my soul. Lately I've been under attack by the seeds that I've sown, but this means war, I'm fighting back. This time I'm not on my own, burning bridges from my past, so now I'm letting go. The voices I hear won't